guys, it's Karen Mia. So today I'm gonna do a little spring makeup tutorial, even though I don't do my makeup that often, but I'm ready for it to be spring. Like, I'm sick of this sick weather. I meant cold weather, don't mind me. Okay, so I just got my belly button pierced like 3 days ago. And it hurt a little bit. I was going to do a video on it, but the piercer did not want to be recorded, so I decided not to. I will insert some clips from that day. But yeah, let's just get started. I'm just going to clean off my face with this baby wipe that I've been waving around the whole beginning, but it's okay. So just clean off your face, wash off your face. I forgot my moisturizer. I'll be right back. Some face lotion, because the worst thing is looking dry and crusty. So I'll just rub it all over my hands and then just pretty much slap it on my face. I always put my lotion on my neck too. Just brushing on my brows. You can do your brows pretty much however you want, to be honest. I don't like doing them too dark. It gives me like a very weird look. I'm sorry if I'm like looking over here because that's where I put my mirror. We're just gonna have to roll with it. Okay, so I just filled in this one. This one still has some work. I just like filled in a little bit just for those little bald spots on my eyebrows. I don't want them to get too dark or look too unnatural. Don't mind me. These things are so good. Okay, and also, don't forget to put on some chapstick or something, so your lips do not look dry as ever. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish the other eyebrow and then put some of this little gel on it. I just realized I forgot to put on some primer, so I'm gonna just put some now. Took forever to come out, but just rub that all over and place it. I try to stay away from my brows because I just did them. So by the way, y'all, I don't wear foundation. Sometimes I'll put on some bronzer and some highlighter, but that's about it. And I forget what I was about to say. It's gonna be like more of an orangey, golden kind of look. So I'm gonna start off with this little palette. I think I got it in a Ipsy thing. My little brother destroyed it a little bit, so don't mind that. And I do like to use my fingers a lot to put on makeup. Might be disgusting to y'all, but it's what works for me. So I'm just gonna go right into it with this color. I'm gonna blend it. What I'm doing is just lightly packing this all over my lid with my finger. You can use a brush if you want to, but I don't know, I just don't like using brushes. But I'm about to, just to blend out the edges. I think I'm gonna use it. So pretty much what I'm doing is just blending it back and forth like that on the edges, just so it's not a harsh line. I probably look cross-eyed in this video because I keep looking over here instead of at my camera. But it's okay because it's my first video. It's not going to be perfect. I just have to live with it. It'll get better, I promise. Okay, y'all, so now I'm just taking this color right here, and I'm just going to begin to pack that onto my eye and like the beginning part to give it a cute little like ombre looking effect. Here, I'm gonna try to move y'all closer. So I'm just putting it right here in the crease, and of course it's getting everywhere. And I'm gonna take some of this Sparks over here, put it lightly, oh no, put lightly a little bit after the crease. It's gonna be tease, and then put a little bit of Sparks where you were just putting that other glitter. Okay, so now I am just wiping off all of that excess that got all over my face. So I'm just gonna curl these. Try not to pinch my skin like I just did. Should have some music playing. Okay, then just gonna whip out this. I had a highlighter in my makeup bag, and it spilled everywhere, like got all my stuff all dirty. And I was a little bit lazy, so I didn't want to wipe it all off earlier. Well, I wiped it off, I just didn't want to like find a baby wipe and all that. So I just put my mascara on. I'm just gonna take some lip gloss real quick and put it on my lips so they got a little bit of shine to them. I'm just gonna do a little bit of blush, again, my finger. Oh, I just realized I was using my middle finger the whole time. Decided to put a little bit of this color up in my crease because the other one was not light enough. Just to help it pop a little bit more. I was gonna do some eyeliner, but I just wanted to be like a cute, light, simple look, not too extra. Those eyelashes were gonna be extra if I put them on, but you could just jazz up this look if you want to at night. Throw on some eyeliner, some lashes, and a darker lip. So I decided about to do my edges. So I use my stepdad's gel just because I don't feel like buying anymore, and I just, yeah, so I just like let my hair down. Yes, I have pretty long hair. It's kind of wild right now. Don't mind it. I'm just gonna take this brush and start combing it all back. I'm gonna do a bun, so I'm using some of this like holding gel, and I just like putting my hair in a high bun. I look stupid right now. Oh, I look stupid. I'm gonna use some of this gel too. Get all them little hairs. But just get all them hairs back. Then I'm just going to flip my head and just keep doing the same thing for all the hair. Look, this video is gonna be mad long. Okay, so I'll just grab on my hair like that. I'm just gonna start brushing it all up this way. This angle is so dumb. Okay. I'm just gonna start brushing it all up. My brush or something just fell. So after I do that, I take this brush and just start taking out some of them hairs, just so I have something to work with, because if not, they're all gonna be back and we're not gonna have anything to do our edges. So you're gonna look a little bit of like a mess for a second, but that's okay. So I just flip my head over. Just try to scoop anything that's left. Try to smooth in anything like that, and then I'm gonna just put it in a quick bun. This is a bun I do like all the time. If you know me or you go to school with me, my hair is always in a quick little bun, which I do just like that. Okay, so I need to beat more gel out of this. Okay, so I'll just take some gel and I'll put it on there, okay? And I'll take all the hair and try to get it all in like one like straight thing. And I'll take it and I'll do a little swoop-de-doop. Something like that. And then I'll brush down these little hairs. And sometimes there's hairs that don't look like they're supposed to be in it, so just scoop those hairs back. Ooh, I got some in my contact. I'm gonna just finish it on tape. With my edges, I just do like little swoops. They don't look perfect because I'm just doing like a quick little look. Like if you're on the run, if you gotta run or you gotta be out of the house quick in a few minutes, like 20 minutes, you could do this. But add a little bit more lip gloss. Ooh, I got gel still on my finger. Hold on. Where did my baby wipe go? Just clean off this gel. I'm so ready for summer or spring or whatever to come. Needs to get here. Like today. Yeah, but I want my channel to be like just random, not random, but like different stuff, not just about one particular thing. The next video that I do is probably going to be a try on haul from Shein. I already got one of my shirts, and there's this cute little spaghetti strap crop top. I'm just waiting because I ordered 2 packages, so that one still hasn't come in yet. So this is my first video. I hope you guys liked it. Like, comment, subscribe, and make sure to comment down below anything y'all want me to try, y'all want me to make a video about.